Hi, I'm Ross McGregor. I'm a member of the Reelcraft sales team. I'd like to take a minute to talk to you about how to correctly install your hose reel. First thing you want to do before you do anything else is a quick visual inspection. You want to be sure that no damage has been done to the reel during shipping. Next, verify that the part number on the outside of the box is in fact what you ordered. And once you've done that, you're ready to remove the reel. With the reel removed, pull the hose out and let it retract, making sure that the reel is operating smoothly. Next, position the guide arm to facilitate your application, keeping in mind that we're trying to eliminate angular hose pull, as it can reduce the life of your hose. Should you choose to reposition your guide arm, you may also have to relocate the U-bolts, or else the hose will latch out at full extension. This is also the best time to reposition the bumper to maintain your desired working length, and also check the tension. Next, let's move on to the actual installation of the hose reel. Before any installation can begin, it's important that you observe any and all of your company's standard safety procedures. It's also a good idea to read the manual. Reelcraft reels are made such that they can be mounted in numerous different ways. The more common ways are your ceiling or your overhead mount, your bench mount, and your wall mount, as we see here. Regardless of how you mount the reel, you need to be sure that the reel spool is in a vertical position to ensure proper retraction. Another thing to keep in mind is that whatever you're mounting the reel to has to support not only the weight of the reel, the hose, and the media traveling through the reel, but also additional force due to hose pull. We recommend that you use fasteners that are appropriately sized with the hose supplied with the reel. If you are planning on mounting the reel more than 16 feet overhead, please consult the factory first. When you go to plumb this reel in, the first thing you want to do is be sure that your supply lines are off. Next, we require that you use a flexible connection, as a rigid pipe can jar the main shaft and void the warranty. Now let's look at some of the mounting accessories available from the factory. There are several different mounting configurations available from the factory. The first of which is the I-beam bracket. Once assembled, this bracket fixes to the I-beam with a series of 4 clamps. The reel then slides into the bracket and is secured with 4 bolts. This is a much safer method of mounting, and it does not require you to drill through your I-beam. Next, we have the 340-degree pivot bracket. The reel can be mounted in a central location, and it will pay hose out at 340 degrees. Lastly, we have our 180-degree swivel bracket. This reel may be rounded to the wall, and you can still access the hose at 180 degrees. I'm Ross McGregor for Reelcraft. Thank you for your time. If you have any other questions, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-444-3134.